Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad Sangma minta kalai tarik Risaw lalit benbu yo Mawnongrim bantai ya ke International Medical College and Hospital bala ainam haka kyrteng Purno Sangma Myntri Rangbah barim ke jylla Meghalaya kabadairu ke jingphohsniew jong ERD Foundation Guwahati baru founder chairman jong ka Mahbubul Hoque haka skulbah University of Science and Technology. La sakhi ru haka tega sngi ke jingbuh yo Mawnongrim da ke jingdonlang ka Rhonda Vetere ka wena kilong kumi ka baklan bor haka perthai haka leng ka technology kanong tho bat ka badairu kanong elam na USA bat ka belong ru kum ka global ambassador jong ka Ustm. Bah Lakmen Rymbui Myntri katanat puli pethi ke jylla Bah Sosthenes Sohtun MLA ke jirang RS Mooshahary Governor barim ke jylla bat kiwe ki khrap khan. Katei ke medical college kandan ru arus pa tali ki jingthia kaban satei haka rukom kaba yarin kardan bat ki hospital haka perthai nadu ki rukom sumar ki tiar kitar ringkat kathong ban ai jing sumar eilut ya kilong yeng badok jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Bat katei ke medical college kandan ru kathong ban penlong ki jingwat benya research haka bayade baka kwat ka khya bat khamtam ban khringye ki samla puli bat kinong pang na ki ri ka perthai bala bot hong ban pendap house nam 8,000.
We would like to take this opportunity to felicitate our guests all the way from USA. We would request Chancellor Sir to felicitate them with a bouquet and gamusa, and we request our Honorable Chief Minister Sir to kindly hand over the scroll of honor to Madam Rhonda Vetere, a seasoned leader from the enormous industry, a global chief information officer, a chief technology officer, two-time author, one of the top 50 women in technology, one of the most influential businesswomen in technology, a global change agent and a global leader from New York, USA. USA is honored to present this call of honor. Many hardships with strong determination and had come out with flying colors. And today, we have with us Rhonda ma'am, who will be supporting us in all our endeavors and take us to greater heights globally. And together, for his immense contribution in technology transformation and building scaling technology terms and the convocation of USDM, where he was present virtually but could not be here because of pandemic.
Struggle, poverty. He finally completed his studies of flying colors from here, from prestigious institutions of India. This man is who we all should aspire to be like. And I hope you appreciate him as much as I appreciate him. Please, thank you. For those of you that don't know, and hopefully you're learning something from this, he was offered several good jobs, but he preferred to serve. Imagine that. He preferred to serve the region with education. So he started his journey with one computer. One computer. It's amazing. And 4 students in the year, guess what year? 2001. And then he rented a premise in Guwahati, and in a remarkably short period of time, he was able to establish the biggest educational network in the Northeast India, including Ustm, which has been accredited with grade A by NAAC in its very first cycle of assessment, and became the first private university from the Northeast India to be ranked in the top 200 universities of India. You all should be screaming right now. It's my great pleasure to meet with Mr. Hoque, even though we
students are getting degrees, a lot of emphasis is put on research and innovation. And I think that is something that I really appreciate, and I would once again like to thank the entire staff and the team of USTM for not forgetting that aspect of innovation. And I tell people that apart from the innovation that is made out here, the research that is done, it is imperative and very critical that these innovations should be connected with entrepreneurs. Because once you have the entrepreneurs come into the picture, so therefore the business school should work with the science labs, the students out there, you find the idea, you make that idea big, you convert it into a commercial project, and businesses come out of it. That's how economies grow. That's how large economies grow. Hence this entire cycle of innovation, research, entrepreneurship, these things are very important for any country to move forward with. So therefore I congratulate the USTM for the great work that they've done in the research and innovation also. And to end my speech, I would like to also share that Mr. Hoque and I have been discussing about different ways in which we could support this medical college, and details of this discussion are still on. I know that Mr. Hoque is very, very passionate about not just the university overall, not just the colleges, but very passionate about this particular project also. And of course, there are a lot of detailed discussions and processes to be followed, but definitely it's an area where we are looking into, we are considering, we will be discussing further with Mr. Hoque on how the government can also collaborate and work with USTM, and especially for the medical college, because we as a government need medical seats, we need medical students, we need more doctors. So definitely when there is a proposal where we can have a public-private partnership, where we can work together, of course, following the norms and the processes and government, different steps that need to be done. So all those need to be looked into. But definitely it's an area which we can definitely look into in a very, very positive way, and we would like to work together, provided that we're able to follow the procedures as we discussed. So
is a cardiologist, and our Faisal Masood sir. They came from US only for this venture, and they have given a inspirational lecture to our students, and I think it will go a long way to make this university. It is not only word, that there is an international word. In action, we will be showing that this university and especially this medical science will be catering the services in next 10 years for the neighboring countries. And you are all knowing that the government of India have an active policy to connect the ASEAN countries. But I have seen the absence of any such kind of agenda in terms of education and research to connect the ASEAN countries. We as a university, we have spoken to Honorable Chief Minister that first Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan, which are very neighboring, these peoples are coming, going for other purposes, but not education. The students, patients, they are all reaching to Chennai and other parts of the country. Why not Northeast? It is a biodiversity rich region. We have all strength. Our people are looking nice. Our people can speak English nicely. But why people are not coming to us? So we want to make it a nucleus, and we want to work. And especially with the support of Dr. Wase, he is a famous doctor in US, and he will be extending his all support. Sir is a man of communication and technology. He will be giving all such kind of IT and communication technology support. And Mezan is a good connector globally. So we don't have any issue. Only thing that the people here, the students, the faculty members, and me personally, we must be very hardworking so that this dream project can be transformed by next 3 years. And I have already told that by 2025 our hospital must be fully operational, and from 2026 our first batch of MBBS will be started. So thank you very much for your coming.